The Graphical COGO store parcel can be found under Applications, Geopath Road, Geometry, Graphical Coordinate Geometry. When you first open Graphical COGO, it's going to prompt you to open a database in coordinate geometry. So you got to type in a job number and maybe an operator code. Once you're inside coordinate geometry, you're ready to start using the Graphical COGO tools. You must first select a temporary visualization or a permanent visualization for these tools to work. And another thing you need to be aware of is the fact that this will be storing elements in COGO using the default naming convention as you last left it. So you need to check what the next available element will be in COGO. You can do that by typing in show next element, and COGO will come back and tell you for your operator code DD, the next chain is CHN1, the next parcel is part 2, the next point is 1. So you want to make sure that you change that so you don't overwrite existing points that may correspond to other graphical or coordinate geometry elements. So to change a point number, you can say set next point and give it a name, maybe point 21, and the next point name has been reset to point 21. From that point you can minimize COGO and you're ready to use your Graphical COGO tools. Here's the store elements and here is the store parcel. You can store points. I'm gonna just store a few points here, making the edge of a parcel, and I'm gonna store lines from existing points. I'm gonna grab the first point, accept, grab the next point, accept, next point, accept, next point, accept, next point, accept. Now that you have all the elements and you have a closed area, you can click on Store Parcel, and there's two ways of storing a parcel, automatic or manual. In the manual, you have to select the elements yourself. In the automatic, all you have to do is select any element on the parcel, and when you accept it, it will find all the elements that are connected. You can reset your mouse to change the direction of the arrows. This is the direction the parcel will be stored in COGO, and when you accept that, it's going to prompt you to select the point of beginning of the parcel, where you want your parcel to begin for description purposes. And when you accept that, your parcel will be stored in COGO. You will have the input commands to store that parcel, and you can describe your parcel in COGO with the navigator, or you can use the file utility to save the input file, or you can edit it with the editor to make changes later on.